Hello everyone, in this video we're going to take a deeper dive into one of the best learning platforms out there, which is LearnTube. So I've already made a video about LearnTube in the past and a lot of you were asking me more details about this platform. So today we're going to take a deeper dive into this platform. Now to those of you who haven't seen that video, or to those of you who don't know about LearnTube, then LearnTube is a great learning platform for learning new skills, and they have 200 plus courses. And they basically, what they do is they take YouTube videos and they curate them into these systematic courses, and they have 200 plus courses on different fields and different domains like UI UX, programming, data science, data analytics, pretty much any field you can think of. They have made a well thought out course on that, and every course and every skill is divided into micro skills so that you have the best shot at learning those skills, and so that you truly imbibe the knowledge that they have in these courses. And they have around 5 lakh learners as of now who trust their website. Now, so the learning on LearnTube is completely free of cost, but they also have a premium plan. They also have a plan which is the LearnTube X plan, which is great and offers a lot of features that you can use in your journey of programming or your journey of placements. So we're going to take a look into this LearnTube X plan. Let's see what the features that are there, and let's see how it can benefit you ultimately in your learning and in your journey of getting your dream job. So with LearnTube X plan, you get everything that you get with their Pro plan, which means having access to all of their 200 plus courses on different fields like I mentioned. And apart from that, you get unlimited weekly live classes, master classes and workshops with industry level experts, which really helps staying up to date with the latest trends in technology and knowing what to learn in order to get to the job that you want. And they have great features in the Pro plan as well. Like I mentioned, they have the feature of a WhatsApp chatbot where you can learn directly from your WhatsApp. So this is something that I really liked. I showed this in my other video as well, and this is actually a great feature that you can just open your WhatsApp and go to the chatbot and learn from there directly. You don't have to open your laptop. You can just learn by opening your phone from your WhatsApp directly. That is a great feature that you get with this plan, and it's personally one of my favorite features. So not only you get access to all of their courses which are industry level certified, and not only you get workshops with industry level experts, but apart from that you also get 100% placement support, which is one of the best parts. So they have around 957 hiring partners that hire directly from the learners of LearnTube, and 957 is a huge number to think of. So they have these many companies that hire directly from the learners of LearnTube, and they give you 100% placement support. At every step of your learning journey, of your placement journey, there will be experts who will be helping you along the way. They'll be also be helping you with your CV, your resume. In case your resume is not getting shortlisted, you don't know what's wrong with your CV, they'll be helping you with that, and they'll be giving you personalized support on that. And if you're nervous for your upcoming interviews, then they also have live interview training with their experts that you can attend, and you will know exactly how to present yourself in an interview, how to answer a question in an interview, and basically what to do in an interview to get the best shot of clearing it so that you can get to the place or the company that you want to. So this will make you feel more confident about your learning, and you'll be able to go into the interview with a good mindset, with a confident mindset, and ultimately that will help you in cracking your dream interview. Thousands of students have taken the LearnTube X plan, and they're now working in one of the top MNCs, and they're getting their dream packages. So if you are serious about truly becoming a master of your skills, and if you are serious about getting to the company that you want to, or if you're serious about upgrading your career and truly transforming your career into something that you love, then this is something that you can definitely take. And the cost of this is just $12.50 per month, which is very inexpensive if you compare it to other courses which goes into lakhs of rupees, 30, 40, 50K like that. But here you're getting all these advantages at a minimum price of $12.50, which is great compared to the advantages and the benefits that you're getting with the LearnTube X plan. So I'll give a link to LearnTube in the description. You can check it out from there. You can see the courses that they have. You can start learning for free. And like I mentioned, if you want these premium advantages, then you can take the LearnTube X plan, with which you get placement support, you get industry grade experts helping you, you get help with your CV, with your interview preparation, and you get the whole package like I mentioned, which will help you get to your dream company and which will help you in your journey of learning and placements. So that's pretty much it. Go check LearnTube out. I've given the link in the description, and let me know what other platform you want me to review next. Thank you.